The main purpose of this study was to investigate the relationship between flow and performance in basketball. Flow has been defined as an optimal psychophysiological state involving three core experiential dimensions: absorption, effortless control, and intrinsic reward. Flow has also been associated with enhanced performance in sports. However, there has been little insight into the mechanisms underlying this relationship, as past flow research has been primarily associative and has yet to provide causal models underlying flow. By investigating the relationship between the specific components of flow and performance, we hope that this study would begin to shed light on potential causal models. We needed an experimental paradigm which would allow us to differentiate flow from non-flow states in basketball shooting and in an ecologically valid way. So for this, we drew from past research which shows that non-dominant limb motor execution could disrupt implicit motor processing among athletes, which is thought to be crucial for effortless control. Absorption and intrinsic reward are thought to require a balance between skills and challenge. As basketball players rarely practice shooting with their non-dominant hand, we thought it would be less likely for them to experience absorption and intrinsic reward in non-dominant hand shooting tasks. Our study involved a 2x2 within subjects design, where participants shot with their dominant and non-dominant hand from free throw and elbow positions. As you can see, our sample involved quite a heterogeneous group in terms of expertise. This was important for us as past research does not make it clear whether the relationship between flow and performance is due to underlying mechanisms or a confound of expertise, where more skilled athletes are more likely to experience flow and more likely to perform better. Therefore, we controlled for expertise in all of our analyses. Our results showed that the dominant-non-dominant hand manipulation was effective in differentiating flow from non-flow states, where participants experienced significantly more flow in dominant hand than non-dominant hand shooting tasks. You will see in the graph under Q2 that participants also experienced significantly more effortless control in dominant hand than non-dominant hand shooting tasks. But this was not the case for absorption or intrinsic reward. These results are at odds with past claims that absorption is the more representative feature of flow. As you can see, participants experienced high levels of absorption even in non-dominant hand shooting tasks where they didn't experience flow. If you look at the graph under Q3, you will see that we found a significant relationship between effortless control and performance even when controlling for expertise. Finally, we are currently running another study using the same paradigm with the addition of psychophysiological measures such as mobile EEG and eye tracking, which will allow us for a more direct investigation into the mechanisms underlying the core experiential components of flow.